How to fix cannot make phone call because of communication limit on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now you can see that if I open up my phone application and try to make a call, and if I tap on the call, it's a communication limit. The phone that you have dialed is not in your contacts. Your screen time settings only allow you to communicate with contacts. So to fix this problem, tap on OK, then swipe up to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, tap on settings. Now in settings, you want to go back to the main settings page. Then we scroll down. And in here, tap on screen time. Then scroll down and tap on communication limits. In here, during screen time or during downtime, you tap on it and then you choose everyone. Then tap on back, and during downtime, make sure you also select everyone. And that's it. Now if you go back to your phone application, this time when you try to make a call, you will have no problem. And that's it. That is how you can fix that problem. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.